Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can assemble this small toy, which is a small duck toy. So uh, this is the complete product, means complete toy product after the complete assembly. In this video I'll simply explain how you can assemble just like this. So in the package, when you buy this from the Flipkart or Amazon or wherever in the offline store, you'll get all these separately, these plastic items, all this separately, and without the battery. So you need to assemble yourself in order to get this game done. See, on the package box only you'll have this instructions that how you can connect, and there were numbers also which were given, various function and more fun, made of easy to clean. Yeah, so first of all let me unbox this. Initially let us check what are the contents in the box, so that later step by step easily we'll get to see how you can assemble this to the complete product. So 1 2 3 pathways, these are the three plastic pathways given, and three small ducks with the wheels here, okay, right, and that small duck board at the top, and the main ladder thing or the steps ladder, sort of base one here. Here you'll have on off switch, and here two AA batteries to be inserted here, okay, right. Now we'll just put the main base steps ladder here, and now we'll follow the instructions what are given on the box itself. So what I'll do is I'll be connecting according to the shown in the picture. So let me put it here, and from here the 1 goes, then 2, then 3 4 5 6, okay, exactly we'll try to match this image and we can get the complete output. So this is the number 6 which is to be placed on the steps here. So yeah, this is the 6, okay, there are numbers displayed here if you can see or not. Yeah, this is the 6, right. Just now I have kept this one, and I'll try to put 1 and 2 3 and 4 5. Okay, we'll go from the starting instead of directly from the 6. I'll going from 1 and 3 and 6, okay. So I'll just check the number 1 here. See here the plastic pathway which has the number 1. I have taken this exactly this shape one. See this shape one, right, 1 2 all the way to 2. Here it is 2 mentioned, whether you can see this or not. There were numbers here. Here it is 2. So this is the number 3. If you can connect outside only, means just for the testing purpose I am just connecting this outside. So 2 and 3 side by side, exact match. Likewise 4 and 5, this is the 4 and this is the 5. When I keep them beside, they are just getting matched. So this is what we need to assemble exactly onto the actual steps, okay. So let me just remove everything, and now first take the number 1 thing, okay, number 1 plastic pathway, okay, this is the number 1, okay, right. Just as shown in the image, I am just trying to put 1 at the top. See, 1 at the top, and from these 2 the 3 needs to be attached here. From 2 and 3 direct attachment in the air, right. Yeah, 2 and 3 were joined, and the other end is now 4, and 4 and 5 should match. For this I'll be putting the 4 here inside here, okay, just above the speakers I'll be inserting the 4. From 4, 5 will be continuing. This is the 5 number one, right? Just insert from the other end so that 4 and 5 will be exactly get matched, right? Okay, 5 joins the 4 here now. Done. Now the only thing left is 6. So 6 is at bottom of the steps, 1 is at the top of the steps and 6 is at the bottom of the steps. Simple thing. I guess I am explaining very clearly. See, this is the number 6. Now done. Just we need to unscrew the battery holder cap and we need to put 2 AA batteries, bigger batteries. Then switch on this toy and there is a fun for you. You can keep these duck toys in reverse also. For now I have just kept like this, but you can put them in reverse also. Okay, let me put batteries, 2 AA batteries, right? Yes. And this is one of the popular low budget or within the budget toy which has highest number of sales in the recent days. Yeah, that thing I observed. And this user who is testing this has purchased from the offline store for the price of 270 rupees, 270 to somewhat 300 rupees. If anyone who purchased from the online, please do comment in the comments whether this video is helpful for you or not. Your comment is valuable, so please do comment. Okay, let me switch on this for the first time. Yes, right. Switch on. You can place these ducks in the reverse direction also. Just for now I am placing like this. Yes, maybe I kept them in reverse. You need to try it in reverse direction. Okay, reverse direction to what I am showing you on the video maybe. Yes, just to cut the length of the video I am playing the video in 2x faster. Okay, yes, please do comment what are your opinions of this game, and if anyone are already using this toy game, this small duck or this toy you can say, please do comment your opinions. I hope you like this video. For me, when I saw this for the first time after working, this was pretty surprising because of the mechanism which is behind this toy. I am very much amazed and felt very good about this toy. Yeah, gifting this would be one of the good choice really.